Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix lag issues on your iPhone after upgrading to iOS 18. If your phone is running slowly or lagging after the update, don't worry, I've got some solutions for you. But before we start, make sure to hit the subscribe button. It really helps me out. Thanks guys. The first step is to open your settings and tap on General. From here, tap on Software Update. Sometimes, during the downloading or installation process of updates, your phone can experience lag. You want to make sure that you're updated to the latest iOS 18 version with no issues like preparing to download or starting to download. Next, head over to the App Store. Tap on your name or picture at the top, then swipe down to check if there are any apps that need updating. If it says Update All, tap on it to get the latest versions of your apps. Outdated apps that are still compatible with iOS 17 might not perform as well on iOS 18, so updating them can help improve your phone's performance. After that, go back into Settings, tap on Battery, and check for any ongoing device setup in the background. You may see a message like, "Your iPhone is completing setup steps in the background." This means that your phone is still finishing up the installation of iOS 18. This process can temporarily degrade performance, but once it's finished, the performance will improve. Another quick fix is to restart your phone. Head back into Settings, tap on General, scroll down, and hit Shut Down. Close out all apps and restart your phone. Restarting will clear out the cache and memory, giving your phone a fresh start and potentially improving performance. Keep in mind that when you install a new iOS version, there may be some bugs, glitches, or lags that take time to fix. If the lag persists, you might want to check for any future updates, or consider trying out the iOS 18 public or developer beta updates, which may have fixed some of the bugs causing the lag. I hope these tips help you fix the lag on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.